All right, guys, we're going to get right into it. You clicked on the video because you want to know the 5 best business startup ideas for 2022. So we're going to jump right into it. Number 1, start your own merch store. Once upon a time, when you wanted to start a merch store, you had to have all kinds of t-shirt blanks and clothing blanks, and then you had to screen print them and dry them and have inventory. You don't have to do that anymore. Now, without investing any money up front, you can get a print-on-demand merchandise line going. If you just come up with the ideas for funny shirts, moving shirts, commentary, holiday shirts, put those ideas together. You can use Photoshop or any other number of graphic design software, and you put those ideas out there onto shirts using different services. Merch by Amazon is one of those services. Spreadshirts is one of those services. Cafe Press. There's a whole lot of different services that do print on demand. What that means is nobody makes a shirt until somebody's already bought the shirt. That means that you don't have to buy a t-shirt, print it, and hope somebody buys it. You do the design, upload it, and then they handle everything else. If you have a Merch by Amazon store, then when somebody goes to Amazon and buys your shirt, Amazon prints it, Amazon bills them, Amazon fulfills it, gets it sent to them, and just sends you the profit. So a print-on-demand merchandise store is a great idea in 2022 for a business startup idea that you can start with no money. The second idea, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way that you can begin to generate revenue and get some income, recurring income coming in that you don't have to have any startup capital for. Affiliate marketing works like this. A product, service, or business that you affiliate with will give you your own private affiliate link or coupon code. You then go through your following, your websites, your social media, and you promote those products for them. Whenever somebody makes a purchase through your affiliate link or using your affiliate coupon code, then you get a percentage of the purchase that they make at that business. There are many, many, many businesses that have affiliate programs. You just have to look for them. The third idea for the best business startup ideas for 2022 is vehicle-based businesses. Now, I know that's not necessarily free. You do have to have a vehicle up front, but most everybody does in fact have a vehicle already, and that vehicle is costing them money as opposed to making them money. If you have a reasonably dependable vehicle, you can begin to do Uber, Lyft, DoorDash. There are medical courier companies that allow you to contract with them. You could also put your car up for a car sharing service like Turo or something like that. Those services don't cost you anything to begin to utilize those services. Number 4, best business startup idea for 2022. If you're a good writer or a good proofreader, you can start working on Upwork, Fiverr, and a bunch of other different types of websites that have the availability for you to begin work as a freelance content writer or a freelance proofreader. Just get signed up on those platforms and begin promoting yourself as someone who's an expert in those things. If you can write, you can be a freelance content writer because there are plenty of people, programs, and businesses out there that need content for their social media, need content for their marketing, and they simply don't have the writers to do it. They would much rather have you do the writing for them. So be ready for those businesses to come to you and be ready with your writing. The 5th idea, Amazon KDP. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. Again, once upon a time, back in the olden days, if you wanted to be a published author, you would have to write your manuscript and then shop it around to different publishing houses in hopes that someone, somewhere would take a chance on you. These days, Amazon has made it very simple and easy for any author who has a finished work to be able to publish it themselves. Instead of trying to write a novel, authors will write reports, short fiction, and even nonfiction and cookbooks and put them together, just a few pages, and put them up for sale on Amazon KDP. The way that it works, very similar to a merch print-on-demand store. This is a simple print-on-demand book service. A bonus idea for how to generate income for you in 2022 has to do with an online ecosystem of your own. Like building a brand, only you're leveraging all the different types of online services that are out there for you for free. You have a social media following, a YouTube channel, a merch store, a book line, and you put all of those things together into an online ecosystem where you're following on your social media patronizes your merch store, or you're following on your YouTube channel goes to your social media, and they both patronize your merch store. They both look to purchase books from you that you've written. All of that goes together into an online ecosystem. Each of those revenue streams, from your YouTube ad revenue to sponsorships to product placement deals to your social media, where again, sponsorships for a large social media following, and your social media followers then will begin to purchase things in your merch store or buy the books that you've written. All of those go together. So instead of you picking one or the other, as you garner a following and people begin to know who you are and begin to follow you, trust you, and look for your information and advice, then your online ecosystem can work in that symbiotic way, and you will begin to develop revenue streams from multiple different sources in increasing quantities day after day after day. It's 2022. Let's get started. You've got your ideas. Let's go for it.